Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Camera in GTA 5. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you about cameras in GTA 5. In the camera in GTA 5, very useful if this video is very useful if you don't know how to use a camera or you don't know where the gallery is in your camera. Then I'm going to teach you how to do that. So the first thing you need to do to use your camera is click on your open up your phone. Once your phone is open, go down to camera or Snapmatic. Click on Snapmatic. As you can see, in Snapmatic, you can zoom in and zoom out. You can also dip of field depending on what you want. And you can also grade on it. There we go. To remove the lines. So also have focus lock. There you go. You can also have a portrait or a selfie yourself right now. I'm gonna show you. There you go. Go. Take a selfie. To take a photo, you can just click your left mouse button like that, or or you can click on your keyboard, enter, take a photo. And to save it to gallery, just click save gallery right there. Just click the enter button, or to delete it, to not save it, click delete on your keyboard. But we're now for but now we're gonna save it. There you go. Now let's see where can we find our photos. To find our photos, we cannot find it in our phone, but we can find it in our not settings, in our gallery. Just click on escape on your keyboard. After clicking on escape your keyboard, go to the right. There you go. There you go. You'll find gallery. Once you're here at gallery, click on gallery, and here are all the photos that I have taken in GTA 5. As you can see, there you go. Mm, there you go, guys. Yeah, and here is the location of all of those. You see, there you go. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys: when you take a photo, you can also know where it is, and you can also set a waypoint. For example, right here, comes right there. Just click on space, or just click this, or click on space. I'm gonna click on space. There you go. You can set a waypoint. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.